Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Millennial Money, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by identifying your monthly income. List all sources of income, including salary and side gigs. Next, track your expenses for a month. Use apps or spreadsheets to categorize your spending. Separate fixed expenses from variable ones. Fixed expenses include rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Variable expenses include groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Add up both fixed and variable expenses to see your total spending. Now, set clear financial goals for the month. Decide how much you want to save or invest. Subtract your total expenses from your income. This will give you your disposable income for the month. Adjust your budget as needed based on your goals. Prioritize saving and investing to build financial security. Use the envelope method for cash spending, if helpful. This method limits the amount spent in each category. Review your budget regularly to stay on track. Make adjustments as your income or expenses change. Consider using budgeting apps like Mint or Inab for extra assistance. These tools can help visualize your financial progress. Remember, budgeting is a flexible process. Be patient and give yourself time to adapt. Continue to refine your budget as you learn more about your spending habits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.